Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is G-Skyer Astronomical Refracting Telescope. This telescope allows for many different viewing positions with an adjustable aluminum alloy tripod and a carry bag. The telescope and tripod can fit inside the bag for easy traveling and storage. 400mm focal length and 70mm aperture. Fully coated optics glass lens with high transmission coatings creates stunning images and protect your eyes. Perfect telescope for astronomers to explore stars and moon. Come with 2 replaceable eyepieces and one 3x Barlow lens. 3x Barlow lens trebles the magnifying power of each eyepiece. 5x24 finder scope with mounting bracket and crosshair lines inside make locating objects easily. Free includes one smartphone adapter and one wireless camera remote to explore the nature of the world easily through the screen and take amazing celestial images. Assembly typically takes anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. Regardless of previous astronomical equipment experience, the step-by-step guide makes putting the telescope together quick and easy. Lenses are easily swapped, and the focus uses a standard rack and pinion system, allowing fine-tuning to produce a vibrant image. Wide-angle and latest generation of HD G-Skyer eyepiece are more comfortable to see objects without eye fatigue and dizziness. Our second best telescope for beginners is Orion 10015 Reflector Telescope. Orion Star Blast is a blast. For folks who want to explore astronomy without breaking the bank, this is a gem of an option. A great compact grab-and-go telescope designed for entry-level and intermediate astronomy enthusiasts. Focal length is 450mm. Substantial 4.5-inch aperture and fast f/4 focal ratio provides bright, detailed views of solar system targets like the moon and planets, as well as wide-field celestial objects like nebulas and star clusters. Ships pre-assembled so you can go from the box to your backyard in minutes. Glass material is low thermal expansion borosilicate glass. Stable tabletop base provides smooth L-azimuth motion for easy manual tracking of celestial objects. Third pick in our list is Celestron Portable Refractor Telescope. This Celestron 70mm Travelscope features high-quality, fully coated glass optics, a potent 70mm objective lens, a lightweight frame, and a custom backpack to carry it all. Its quality is unmatched in its class and against competitors. Powerful eyepieces for up-close viewing. Telescope for astronomy beginners is equipped with 2 high-quality eyepieces that provide low and high-power views of celestial objects at night and terrestrial objects during the day. This refractor telescope is equipped with a large 70mm aperture objective lens that provides enhanced, brighter views compared to the 50mm model while adding very little additional weight. Setting up and using the Travelscope is quick and easy. This Celestron telescope and full-height tripod can be taken anywhere in the included travel backpack. Accessories also include a free download of one of the top consumer-rated astronomy software programs. Let's watch more.
With Celestron's Travelscope, it's never been easier to take a high-quality telescope on the go. Each Travelscope includes a durable canvas backpack, perfect for taking along on a camping trip or hike. When you arrive at your destination, assemble the telescope and you'll be ready to observe in minutes with no tools necessary. The adjustable tripod can extend to full height or collapse for use on a picnic table or bench for more comfortable viewing. Travelscope is a refractor-style telescope with objective lenses ranging from 50 to 70mm. That's enough light-gathering ability to view the rings of Saturn, craters on the moon, and many more of the brightest celestial objects. An erect image diagonal corrects the orientation of your images, so you can also use Travelscope for daytime observations of wildlife, birds, and more. To view objects, first center them in the 2x20 optical finder scope. Then, get a closer look using either the low or high power eyepiece. Simply turn the knobs to bring your subjects into sharp focus. When you're out under the stars, use Celestron's free Sky Portal mobile app for iOS and Android to locate objects in the night sky. As you observe, listen to Sky Portal's audio descriptions for the most popular objects. Happy stargazing!
Number 4 in our side is Equatorial Astronomy Refractor Telescope. This astronomical telescope for kids and adults is the best gift to teach people explore nature and life. 360 by 70 mm refractor telescope can be a good observation of moon and terrestrial objects. Featuring all coated glass optical components, lenses are composed of multi-layered glass with a green coating that provides clean, crisp views, delivering 99% total light transmission. 360-degree rotation toe design provides full range of observations. And the height of aluminum tripod can be adjusted from about 19.6 inch to 42 inch. The image of the refractor is reversed. At the same time, the viewing angle is more comfortable. The image passes through a 45-degree diagonal mirror, and the image is positive in the upper and lower direction. For details, let's watch more.
The telescope in a minute with no tools necessary. Open the carton and lay all the items in the list. Including a telescope optical tube, 2 eyepieces, a finder scope, a diagonal mirror, and a tripod. We've made a change for installation of finder scope. Insert the finder scope bracket onto the tube. Instead of remove the screw, it's earlier to install. Also, the diagonal mirror, it has been changed to 45 degrees. You will be more comfortable when viewing. Enjoy yourself with Eco-Pro telescope.
Number 5 in our top 5 best telescope for beginners list is Celestron Powerseeker 127 EQ telescope. The Celestron Powerseeker 127 EQ is an easy-to-use and powerful telescope. The Powerseeker series is designed to give the new telescope user the perfect combination of quality, value, features, and power. Navigate the sky with our Newtonian Reflector telescope. It features a German Equatorial mount with a slow-motion altitude rod for smooth and accurate pointing. Adjust rod to desired position, then easily secure by tightening cross knob. This telescope for adults and kids to be used together is compact, lightweight, and portable. Take the telescope to your favorite campsite or dark sky observing site, or simply the backyard. The Celestron Powerseeker 127 EQ telescope comes with 2 eyepieces, plus a 3x Barlow lens to triple the power of each. Users can also download bonus Starry Night Astronomy software package. For details, let's watch more.
Embark on a voyage of discovery with your family with Celestron's best-selling Powerseeker Equatorial Mount telescopes. These telescopes come with everything you need to get started with astronomy, including a tripod, a finder scope, 2 eyepieces, and a Barlow lens, which triples the power of each eyepiece. The Equatorial mount is a favorite of amateur astronomers because it makes it easier to track objects as they appear to move across the night sky. Choose the optical tube that's right for you, from the compact Powerseeker 60 EQ with grab-and-go convenience to the large Powerseeker 127 EQ with more light-gathering ability. Every Powerseeker offers great views of the moon and planets. A larger model will provide more detailed views and help you enjoy fainter deep sky objects like star clusters and nebulae. When you're out under the stars, use Celestron's free Sky Portal mobile app for iOS and Android to locate objects in the night sky. Center the object in the finder scope and it's ready to view. As you observe, listen to Sky Portal's audio descriptions for the most popular objects. Happy stargazing!
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.